Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching this song tutorial video. In the first part, I'm going to count out the song's chords so you'll know exactly how long to play each one. In the second part, I'm going to play through the entire song so you can practice along with me. So stick around to the end, and if you find this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, etc. Before we begin, you should click on that link at the top of the description and that'll take you to a chord chart containing all the chords and lyrics of the song you're about to practice. I recommend printing it out right now and grabbing a pencil so you can write in the number of beats per chord as I call them out to you. If you see a chord you don't recognize, and just click on link number 2 in the video's description and that'll take you to a list of chord tutorial videos. Finally, if you want to learn more songs once this video is over, click on link number 3 and that'll take you to a spreadsheet containing all of my chord charts and song tutorial videos. Now let's get started. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Come Down, O Love Divine. I'm going to demonstrate the song on a guitar, but you can use any instrument that you choose. And if you haven't already, please print out that chord chart, which is link number 1 of this video's description, so that you can follow it throughout this tutorial video. Now, let's begin by going through verse 1, and this song just contains 3 verses, at least in my version, and all the verses are going to be identical in terms of chords and melody. So this one demonstration will serve as an accurate template for all the verses. We'll go nice and slow so you can easily write down the number of beats per chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, and come down, O love divine, seek thou this soul of mine, and visit it with thine own ardor glowing. O Comforter, draw near within my heart, appear and kindle it, thy holy flame bestowing. Now that we've played through a verse nice and slow, I'm going to play through the entire song so that you can have a chance to practice along with me at a normal speed, and I'll be using a normal picking and strumming pattern, which you may or may not want to copy, totally up to you. And if you think you're going to have trouble keeping up with a normal tempo for the song, not a problem, just go into the playback settings menu of this video and change the speed to something slower like 0.75x. It'll probably make this video sound really weird, but as long as you can keep up, that's what really matters. So let's begin. I'm just going to strum one measure of D and then go into verse 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and D, 2, 3, 4. Come down, O love divine, seek thou this soul of mine, and visit it with thine own ardor Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to click on link number 3 and check out my other chord charts and song tutorials. If you want to help me make more videos, you can support me on Patreon using the link below. God bless, and I look forward to seeing you next time.